Vogue new film technology merges cutting-edge innovation with sustainability in the functional film industry. This international company specializes in automotive, architectural, and solar films, using imported German technology and U.S. equipment to produce award-winning products, favored by global automotive suppliers over 30 years. Through accumulated experience and self-driven innovation, the company has introduced advanced German technology and imported high-end ED glass equipment from the U.S. Its products rival top international competitors in performance, offering heat reflection, superior insulation, weather resistance, ultra-low haze, easy installation, and zero detection of harmful substances. Its products are favored by internations, Ally Reno net automotive suppliers, forming long-term strategic partnerships and repeatedly winning awards such as Annual Most Valuable Automotive Film. In production, Vogue demonstrates strong capabilities with a professional R&D team and world-class equipment. It has established a comprehensive and strict quality assurance system from raw materials, supplier audits to incoming inspections, production line screening, and final product testing. With around 200 branded partners, stores across the country, it adopts a precise one store per city, uniquely designed strategy, providing vehicle owners with high quality pre- and after-sales services, along with a lifetime product warranty. Experienced sales and technical staff, offers 24/7 support to distributors. Driven to innovate and lead, Vogue aims to become a global leader in the functional film industry, benefiting all of humanity.